Welcome to this Junior's Gasoline Alley, where today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your wiper blades on 2019 plus GMC Sierras as well as the Chevy Silverado. It's a pretty simple task, and the reason I'm needing to do it to mine is both because it's snowing out and pretty wet at the moment. But if you take a look down here, you'll see that unfortunately the wiper blade got frozen onto the car the other day, and this happened, so it wasn't being able to wipe the window entirely clean. And before we get to replacing the blade itself, it's going to be important you get the right ones to replace it. Personally, I'm a huge fan of Rain-X wiper blades. I've used them on a bunch of cars, and this vehicle is going to be using a 22-inch blade, so 22-inch there. I'll have a link to a couple of blade options down below, but this is going to be a universal setup that's pretty simple to get done. So when you're looking at the mounting mechanism, you can see how the blade sort of moves in front of us there. Just go ahead and take a straight edge or anything like that. It should pop up, opening up the clip there, and then should be able to just pull down, and it pulls right off. And you'll see here, that's what the mechanism looks like. And again, the wiper blade is unfortunately just trash there, so that can go to the side. We'll take our new wiper blade and pull it out. And this wiper blade, the reason I like these Rain-X hybrid ones, has that same kind of snow cover like the rest of them and the same mounting mechanism. So here, this will just pop up like that. You can then slide the blade right in, click into place, click it into place, and then lock down, and there we are. Now these do come with a protector for the blade, so you'll pull that off, it just slides right off, and then down it goes. Now we can do the other. It's the same deal on this blade. Pop it up, flat blade of some sort, push down, and off it's gonna come. New blade pulls out, slide this guy into place, give it a good click, lock that down, and then just pull off the little plastic sheet and you're good to go. And with the new windshield wipers added onto the truck, it's time to hop in and see how they wipe. And for the moment of truth, yeah, perfect. Gotta love when it wipes nice and clear. Well, anyways, I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. It's a pretty quick and easy job to get done. And if you need wiper blades, I got them linked down below. And I hope you have a nice clear windshield so you can drive safely. Shot just for the good of it. Watch this. Yeah, buddy. Nice and clear.